Welcome to the Population Health Management and Analytics lecture. Below you will find a PowerPoint presentation in a PDF format which you may download and make additional notes as conducting this week's readings. The PowerPoint presentation helps address some of the healthcare administration respects in regards to data analytics and why the data collection and accuracy of data collection and the ability to share information for decision making is required. In addition, it covers some of the important aspects of patient safety regards to data literacy by health professionals in order to make sure and verify that the information that they are using for decisions is understood correctly and why the importance of data literacy was emphasized earlier in the course. It is important to understand that there are various aspects and updates to healthcare data standards, and therefore it is important to always refer to and be up to date in understanding the basic skills of healthcare data analytics, even if you will not be conducting them on a daily basis. If you are presented with a report and results, you have to understand the steps taken and what is required for healthcare administrators within various hospitals and hospital networks to make the certain decisions that they do in order for cost-effective, value-based care with interoperability to improve health outcomes among patients. If you have any questions about the lecture, feel free to contact me by email or visit me during my office hours. Thank you.